iPad is saying, sorry, I have to use that because I don't know what your name is. So, iPad is saying, Dean, after taking trade, I have difficulty to understand the trade continuation, like when my risk increase, when not to panic, etc. In intraday and also short swing, I have difficulty. No, you have to understand. Discretionary trading has a very clear meaning. And I am a discretionary trader and whatever I teach also is discretionary. So what happens, discretionary has two parts. Entry, which you have full control over. You have all the freedom in the world to decide when you want to enter. Exit, no freedom at all. Here you have to use a mechanical system. Using a mechanical exit plan against a completely free way of exiting the markets based on your gut, not a good thing to do. Entry, I can understand. Entry, discretionary traders have been very, very successful. All the successful discretionary traders had mechanical exit plan. You can go and you can enter. I have not met many discretionary traders. I haven't conducted research, back testing, any of that sort, nothing like that. But I can guarantee you go and find 100 successful discretionary traders. Every one of them will have a mechanical exit plan. You want to be successful? Find a mechanical exit plan. Entries, you can pick and choose. But exits have to be mechanical. Why are you facing problem? Because you're using your gut feel instinct to find where you should exit. When your discretion should come in, where the trade is so far in profit that it has completely taken out every bit of anxiety, from your mind. So I'll tell you what happens. Let's say you enter with 5 lots, right? And the market goes 1:1. You take out 3 lots. Market goes, say, 1:3. You take out 1 lot. And now 1 lot is called as a runner. So this can change, this ratio can change, but roughly 50% at 1:1, and then whatever you want to do with the rest with stop loss at the cost. Now this runner, maybe the market went 1:3 and then suddenly spiked up and now it is deep in profit. This 1 lot runner, then you can probably look for opposite entry or opposite trade, and that is where you should get out of this trade and add the opposite trade. But if you are doing it with this part of your trading, or even this part of your trading, then you will feel the stress. Don't do that.